Yay!
Today we have a list of objects and marine animals which you can notice in seas and oceans. Hi, I'm Peanut, and today we will discuss about what you get to see in the sea or the ocean. In a sea or an ocean, you're sure to find fishes. Fish. Seahorse. Seahorse. Octopus. Octopus. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Manta ray. Manta ray. Starfish. Starfish. Seaweeds. Seaweeds. Conch shells. Conch shells. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Pufferfish. Pufferfish. Shark. Shark. Blue whale. Blue whale. Crab. Crab. Dolphin. Dolphin. Coral. Coral. Squid. Squid. Narwhal. Narwhal. You may also get to see a ship. Ship. Or a yacht. Yacht. Also, a boat. Boat. Have you ever spotted a submarine? Submarine. Near a sea or an ocean, there is also a chance for you to spot a lighthouse. Lighthouse. And with that, it brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel, and the links for those will be available in the description box below. You are doing great. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.